First, let me tell you something very simple. If you want to work with high ticket clients, the best thing that you can do is to build your authority. And the best ways to build authority is to position yourself in very specific industry, not by targeting everyone. Number 1. Position yourself in one industry, not everyone. Most people try to sell everyone, that's where nobody trusts them. But when you pick an industry, people actually sees that this guy actually understand my word, and this build instant trust. Number 2. Look confident and clear about your offer. If you are not confident, client will notice it immediately. Even if you have the words best services, best offers, they won't trust. So you need to be very clear about what's your offer, what problem you are solving, and what results you are going to give them to your client. When you speak clearly, people trust you. Number 3. Show results. Trust grows 10 times faster when you show result. And you don't need fancy PPT and you don't need $1 million case studies. Even small result work. One testimonial, one client message, one case study, and they just look around the things that are you actually clear about what exactly you're offering, and are you confident, and are you ready to put efforts for the results so that they can also scale up. High ticket clients don't need hype, they need proof, and if you can give them proof, they will believe you. If they believe you, they will of course believe your system and they will pay you as well. Number 4. Show your association. If you are hanging out with higher authority people, of course the trust increases, and that's where you can convert most of your clients. So even if you have no association with higher authority people, build that kind of association, join mentorship programs, join events, join webinars, join workshop, and get those proofs for your clients so that you can show to them that these are the people that I work around, and the results that you have generated. Once combined all, that's where trust increases, the belief increases, and of course they will ready to pay you. Number 5. Social proofs. You should show your social proofs everywhere, and because if clients are coming to you, of course they are gonna check your social media platforms, and you have to post your social proof, testimonial, case studies, the works that you have done, the reviews that you have, so that clients get to know whenever they are coming to you and can analyze everything, and that's where increases more trust for them to decide whether to continue with you or not. And number 6, make your service an exclusive service. Because if you are selling to everyone, of course you are selling to no one, nobody trusts you, and that's where you need to decide that this service is for the specific people only, and that's where a client also trusts you more. That and second point is like, of course they feel some kind of FOMO category where people will feel that yeah, this is for specific people, I should grab this first, right? And that's what you have to build, that kind of things around your business. And once you combine everything, that's where you have the powerful offer, the powerful scripts, the powerful positioning, authority, credibility, association, and everything. And this is what you need to increase your conversion rate for your business, for the sales part and everything. So this is it for this video, and if you got some kind of information, definitely do like and subscribe. And if you want any kind of help to grow your business either in Indian market or in international market, then just click on the link below in the description, fill the form. Our team is going to reach out to you, will connect with you of course, and definitely let's see if we can work together. So this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.